Hello students, today we will see what is the effect of impurity and temperature on surface tension. When soluble substances such as common salt NaCl is dissolved in water, then surface tension of water increases. See demonstration. Take one bowl filled with the water. Put some talcum powder on the surface of the water so that we can see the effect of surface tension, and now add some quantity of sodium chloride, that is salt, in the water, and puts two toothpicks on the surface of the water. Now these toothpicks moves towards each other, means this surface of the liquid gets contracted more, means surface tension of water increases. Since surface tension is the property of it, the free surface of liquid acts as a elastic membrane and it has a tendency to occupy minimum surface area. Since these peaks moves towards each other, the surface tension of liquid increases. Now when sparingly soluble substances such as detergent is mixed in water, then surface tension of water decreases. Now take the same bowl filled with water, put some talcum powder on the surface and place two toothpicks on the surface of the water. Now when we add the detergent powder in the water, these peaks moves away from each other. Means this tendency of contraction of the liquid decreases, means surface tension of the water decreases. Now this property of detergent is used for washing clothes. When we mix the detergent in the water, then surface tension of water decreases, means its contraction property decreases and its spraying property increases, so that this soap solution can be sprayed on the free surface of the liquid easily and it enters on the holes of the clothes and dust can be removed from the clothes easily. Now when insoluble substance is mixed in water, then surface tension of water decreases. Now effect of temperature. As the temperature increases, the surface tension of liquid decreases. We can see the warm and cold water is given on the front panel of the washing machine. Here warm water is used to clean the clothes cleanly, and when we use this warm button, then the temperature of water increases and surface tension of liquid decreases, so that clothes can be cleaned easily. Then in case of molten copper and molten cadmium, surface tension increases as temperature increases. For other liquids, as temperature increases, surface tension decreases. These are exceptional cases for copper and cadmium. Now surface tension becomes zero at critical temperature for the liquid. Now what is critical temperature? Critical temperature is the temperature above which a gas can be liquefied at any pressure. Mean it is the minimum temperature at which the gas can be liquefied, and at this temperature this property of surface tension of the liquid becomes zero.